What's up everybody, and welcome to today's Tableau walkthrough. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to build a pie chart in Tableau. Now pie charts, at least in my opinion, have a little bit of controversy, and the reason it becomes controversial is when you have too many parts of a whole, in the sense that you have too many different slices to your pie to where it's not easily visible in your data visualization. So before we get into building a pie chart in Tableau, there's two things you need to do. First thing you need to do is open your Tableau application. The second thing you need to do is to connect your data source. For this particular example, we're going to connect the sample superstore dataset, which is right to the left panel under connect. Then you scroll down under save data sources, and I am going to click sample superstore. Now we have a worksheet in Tableau. And to do this, let's say we want to create the sales by subcategory. So you want to see a pie chart, which I'm able to view the sales by subcategory. So to do this, we need to first drag sales from our data pane into our columns shelf. We want to drag our subcategory, which is under product. So we first click that drop down arrow and then drag subcategory into rows. And this will give us a horizontal bar chart, which is a default in Tableau. So now let's convert this horizontal bar chart into a pie chart. The way that you do that is you navigate to the Show Me panel, which is on the right. If you click that, then if you click this pie chart icon, which is 2 rows down and third column from the left, if you click this, you will receive a pie chart which is relatively small. So we already have too many different sections or pieces of the pie. But let's actually get a clear view. We need to go to the toolbar, hit this down arrow, and then hit entire view. And now we can see our full pie chart. This is also how it would be displayed on the dashboard as well. And under the marked card, you can see that it automatically translated into color being the subcategory, the pie angle being the sum of sales, while also the pie size being the sum of sales as well. And you can see the key to the right to visualize the subcategories. But now we don't really know which piece of the pie represents each subcategory unless we hover over these individuals. But let's say we want to add some text to it. To do this, we can just simply add the subcategory, which is under the product hierarchy in our data pane, drag that into the marked card area where it says label, and boom, now we have labels to all of our subcategories. But like I said, it can be a little bit cluttered, so I may recommend keeping it down to 3 to 5 categories. But this is a pie chart. Let's give it a name. I am changing the name of the worksheet to pie chart at the bottom left. Now you see that pie chart is at the top, and you have created a pie chart in Tableau. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.